Hello guys, this is Mr. Kwok, and today I want to talk about English test which is called TOEIC, and especially part 5. And on top of that, I want to emphasize how grammar is very important. So if you are preparing TOEIC, you might have known that it is totally composed of listening comprehension and reading comprehension. And among reading comprehension part, there are like part 5 and 6. Especially part 5 is structure or grammar part. And then I would like to say part 7 is reading comprehension, and part 6 is the mixture between part 5 and 6. So today I prepared part 5, only one question, and then I'm gonna let you know how to solve the structure question or grammar question with easy way. It's going to be beneficial time. I will give you 1 minute and think about the correct answer, and then please come back to the video. Right guys, how was the question? Was it difficult or easy? It could be depending on people. So let's read the question again, and then first of all, I'm going to let you know how to solve it really quickly. Customer reviews indicate that many modern mobile devices are often unnecessarily blank, and then we have to choose one of the correct answers. First of all, what we can do is to find the complete sentences by using the factor of the sentence. The complete sentence means subject, verb, object. In the case of the verb is transitive verb. However, sometimes the complete sentence could be subject and verb only when the verb is intransitive verb. So with this concept, let's read it one more time. Customer reviews, subject, indicate, verb, something. Something means object, and then starting the word that, which means that is a conjunction right now. Many modern mobile devices. Another subject are be verb, often, adverb, unnecessarily, adverb, blank. So in this point, we can figure out which choice is correct only when we figure out their features. So first of all, if there is a sentence which is composed of adverb, adverb, in that case, in this point, we can insert adjective, because adverb can emphasize adjective. So we can find just adjective. A is a noun. B, verb. Specifically, it could be a verb in terms of third point of view. C, still verb. D as a David or Dallas, complicated. Adjective. So the answer is D as a Dallas. So in this point, we can approach with details. First of all, we can translate it, and then above that, we can think about how we can make other examples of sentences by using choice ABCD. First of all, customer reviews subject indicate that, indicates something. The something is here that many modern mobile devices, such as IT devices, are often unnecessarily complicated. So which means recent devices are often too much complicated. In this point, unnecessarily means too much complicated, even though it's not necessary. So that's why we have to put adjective. And in this point, we can ask a question, then Mr. Kwok, when we can use ABC, such as a complication is normally used for disease, such as the, for example, post-operative complication. Complication or complications, which means after getting operation, surgical operation, you can have some side effect. In that case, we can literally delineate that symptom or situation is complications. B, complicates, which means a verb as I told you. So, for example, we can talk about this sentence. Yesterday, the cold weather complicated my cold symptom. Or like the cold weather complicates my headache if it is the present tense. So for example, let's write it here. The cold weather, or just the cold weather, complicates my headache. If we have to make the easy sentence. And then it could be just the first point of view, and then sometimes C could be adjective, however, it's not suitable in this situation, so C is also incorrect. And then that's why we can use D as a David or Dallas. And let's think about a little bit different examples by using complicated. For example, like a complicated story. I made a complicated story last night. Or complicated problems. So in this situation, like David, complicated was used as an adjective, which means adjective can emphasize right now noun. However, in this point, we don't have noun, but that's fine because adjective could get emphasized by adverb. And then that could make the complex sentences. So today I want to emphasize that the TOEIC is a kind of business English comprehension test, however, and the grammar is very important. But I want to say this test is not primarily focused on grammar, which means I want to emphasize more structure of the sentences in English. So which means what we have to know about is such as what is a subject, what is a verb, what is object, and what is a kind of object complement, something like that. So understanding the structure of the sentence is more important than just memorizing grammar features. So if you listen to my class, it's going to be really beneficial. I definitely can say that. So today I used I referred to TOEIC like a main website, which is called ETS. So sometimes I'm going to refer this website, or sometimes otherwise I'm going to make my own questions. And then if the content was beneficial for you guys, please click the subscription and alarm, because it's going to be my intrinsic motivation to make those videos. Thank you very much, and should you have any further questions, let me know.